welcome to my channel. I'm BKD and today we're doing another step-by-step video on how I set up for one of my photo shoots. So this photo shoot is a theme of pearls and roses. So we're getting a little bit fancy so you get really glammed up for this photo shoot with your hair and makeup. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so the channel can continue to grow. And let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab two white sheets or neutral color sheets to be your backdrop and flooring. And then next you're going to grab some type of bench or chair that you want to sit on. And I'm covering up with two black sheets. One of them is really silky and that's the one that I actually want to show. But I did put another layer underneath just in case the silky one had moved out of place. It would still be a black covering over the chair rather than you seeing the actual color of the chair. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding in some more accessories and some props. So the first thing I added was some viney roses. So I actually had two and I got this from Amazon. And then I also added a candle holder and a tiny jewelry box. And then I'm just going to decorate it with some pearls, put some in the jewelry box and also hang one around the candle holder. So the next thing we're going to do is add in some fairy lights. So first I'm going to pull it in the front so that you can see it on the floor. And then I'm also going to take it all the way up to one of my backdrop holders so that you can also see it on the left side. So after you place all of your candles inside the candle holder, you're also going to add some flowers to kind of outline the shape that the sheet is making on the floor. Now I'm going to start adding some rose petals and I'm kind of just following along the line that I created with the fairy lights. So here's what the finished look looks like. I actually decided to add some more finishing touches. So I used that leafy fence covering that I used in the garden head photo shoot video. And then I added some roses in that. And then I also put a beaded curtain on the left side. So now we're going to actually move on to taking the photos. So this actually concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and comment below if there's any ideas that you actually want me to try out. And thank you guys so much for watching.